Oh yeah, this is totally not going to work.
It's not going to work. At least she's wearing the hat. Wearing the stuff in the right direction.
We're just going to go ahead and sing. Okay.
You ready?
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Alexis. Happy birthday to you.
You just told her to blow out the candle.
Yay, blow out the candle.
Blow out the candle.
Blow out the candle.
Can you blow out
Go.
the candle?
Ah.
Can you blow out the candle?
Let's blow it out. Blow it out. Blow on it. Can you blow? Yay! Okay. Okay, alright. Yay!
Cake, what's that look like? That looks like a strawberry, doesn't it?
I see.
All right, Alexis.
Do you want a cupcake, Alexis, with a strawberry? Let's not worry about that now. Do you want a cupcake or do you want cake? Cake? Do you want a cupcake with strawberries or do you want a cake?
You want to sit there?
Sure.